Agile tools and techniques. Agile tools and techniques. Now, agile tools and techniques are essential components of the agile methodology, which focuses on iterative development, collaboration, and customer feedback. These tools and techniques support agile principles and help teams manage their work effectively. Now, here are some of the most commonly used agile tools and techniques. The first is vision control systems. Examples include Git, Mercurial, SVN. The purpose is to manage and track changes in code base. Continuous integration, continuous deployments. Examples are Jenkins, Travis continuous improvement, Circle CI, GitLab CI. The purpose are to automate building, testing, and deploying of software. Agile project management tools. Examples include Jira, Trello, Asana, Rally, and the purpose includes to track and manage user stories, tasks, and bugs. Collaboration tools. Examples include Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Miro. The purpose is to facilitate communication and collaboration among team members. Test-driven development, TDD. Tools like JUnit, NUnit, TestNG, and frameworks like Jasmine or Mocha support test-driven development. The purpose is to ensure code quality by writing tests before the actual implementation. Behavior-driven development, BDD. Examples are Cucumber, SpecFlow, Behat. The purpose is align development with business expectations through readable specifications. Automated testing tools. Examples include Selenium, Appium, Jest. The purpose includes to automate the testing process to ensure code quality and faster feedback. Pair programming, a technique rather than a tool where two developers work on the same code simultaneously to ensure higher quality and shared knowledge. Tools to facilitate remote programming. Example includes Visual Studio Code, LiveShell, Tuple, and others. Kanban boards. These are visual boards for managing tasks, showing work in different stages, to do, in progress, done, and the likes. Examples include Trello, Jira's Kanban boards, Kanbanize, and others. Burn down, burn up charts. They are graphical tools and graphical representation of work left to do versus time. The purpose is to track progress and predict when all work will be completed. The next one is retrospective tools. Examples are Retrium, Fun Retro, Miro. Purpose to facilitate reflection and continuous improvement in agile teams. Story mapping. These are visual management of user stories to understand the flow and hierarchy. Tools such as Stories on Board, Feature Map are examples of story mapping. Backlog prioritization techniques. Techniques like Moscow, which is must have, should have, could have, won't have, help in prioritizing backlog items. User story estimation. Techniques like planning poker, t-shirt sizing, and a bucket system are used to estimate the relative effort of user stories. Feature flagging. Examples are Launch Darkly, Split.io. The purpose is to gradually roll out features to users or test new features without deploying new code. Integration of tools in various stages of agile processes. Integration of tools in various stages of the agile process can greatly enhance efficiency, collaboration, transparency, and automation in a development cycle. Now we explore the different stages of the Agile process and the types of tools that are commonly integrated at each stage. Requirements and backlog management. Tools such as Jira, Trello, Target Process, Asana version 1 are, are tools required or for requirements and backlog management. The purpose are to help in capturing, the purpose is to help in capturing user stories, defining acceptance criteria, prioritizing features, and maintaining a product backlog. Sprint planning and task tracking. Tools such as Jira, version 1, Rally are examples of these tools. For examples of tools for sprint planning and task tracking. The purpose are to help teams in planning sprints, allocating user stories to sprints, defining tasks, and estimating efforts. They also provide a view of the sprint's progress through burn-down or burn-up charts. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. Tools such as Jenkins, Bamboo, GitLab CI/CD, Circle CI, Travis CI, Spinnaker are examples of continuous integration and continuous deployment tools. The purpose are to enable automated build, test, and deployment of the code base, integration with source code repositories like GitHub or Bitbucket ensures that the code is continuously integrated, tested, and ready for deployment. Version control. Tools like Git, SVN are examples of tools for version control. Now, Git are used in collaboration with platforms like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. And the purpose is to allow multiple developers to work on the code base simultaneously, track changes, and maintain a history of code versions. Code review and collaboration. Tools for this include Gerrit, Crucible, pull requests in GitHub, GitLab. The purpose is to facilitate collaborative code reviews, ensuring code quality and promoting knowledge sharing among the team. Automated testing. Examples of tools are Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, Cucumber, Appium. The purpose is to ensure code quality and functionality by running automated tests, which can be integrated into the continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline for continuous feedback. Communication and collaboration. Tools such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Confluence are examples of these tools. The purpose is for daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, retrospectives, and overall team communication. The documentation tools. Examples include Confluence, SharePoint, Wikis. The purpose is for creating, maintaining, and sharing project documentation, designs, and knowledge-based articles. Monitoring and reporting. Examples of tools for monitoring and reporting is Grafana, Prometheus, Datadog, Splunk. The purpose includes to monitor application health, performance, and usage metrics. These tools also provide insights for sprint retrospectives and product improvements. Release and development. Examples of tools for release and development include Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Helm. Purpose for packaging, releasing, and deploying applications in consistent environments. They ensure smooth deployments and scalable applications. When selecting and integrating tools, it is essential to consider the specific needs of the project and the team. Tools should be chosen based on their ability to integrate seamlessly with one another and with the existing processes of the organization. Integration points like APIs or webhooks are crucial to ensure smooth data flow across the tools in the Agile pipeline. If you haven't done so yet, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen. Also, click on the notification button to get notified of our future videos. If you find this video especially helpful, please do not hesitate to like and share with your audience on social media.